Growth equals engagement, and engagement equals revenue, baby. That's right. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Cruz, and I'm a Waveful ambassador. And on this channel, I give you tips and tricks, and even kicks, to help you grow and earn on the app that pays you to socialize, baby. Coming up is a screen recording of what I made on my first paycheck from Waveful. That's right. Hey, and I'm also going to show you how to grow fast so that you can have more engagement, which equals more revenue. Hey guys, this is my profile. I'm going to show you how much I made on the Waveful app, how much they paid me yesterday, and also I'm going to show you a little strategy that a lot of us use, but more people need to be using it to grow faster and create more engagement so that you can create more revenue. Okay, up here you see the little gear at the top right hand corner. Click on that. Go down where it says payout, click on that. Go down here where it says history, click on that. Now you see how much I withdrew. You see over to the right of it, it says completed. I withdrew $611.74. That was yesterday. As you can see, as you can see the date right there. Okay, down below, as you can see, I tried a different bank, domestic bank, which is not allowed since this is an international app. They're from Italy. They send wire transfers, so it's got your bank has to have has to be able to receive international wire transfers. And so then I changed it from my domestic bank to my Chase bank, which is international and allowed, and was able to get it. I did it this weekend and got it yesterday, so that's pretty fast. They will be adding more payment options, withdrawal options later. Talk to the admin. That's the great thing about being an ambassador. You have direct access to the admin, and you can ask him questions like that. And he said, yeah, they're within the next month they're gonna have more options for us Americans to withdraw money, because not everybody likes to use their bank account. But you know, I don't mind. Okay, let's go back over here. Now I want to show you how you can grow faster so that you can create more engagement, because more engagement, of course, equals more revenue. As you can see, I got 9,000 followers, over 9,000, and by tomorrow I'll probably have 10,000. I got a contest going right now. I mean a challenge. Okay, this is about the challenge. Okay, on Waveful, after you create your profile and everything, you want to create an island. An island is essentially a group. Okay, and on that group, on that island, you got the opportunity and the option to create a challenge. And in these challenges, you ask people to do certain things, you know, like your video, repost it, follow your island, stuff like that. All this is engagement, you see. And then you enter them into a drawing. I give away super likes, and so when they see that I have a challenge going and I got super likes to give away, they're entering, they're following all the steps, they're liking my video, they're following me, they're following my island, they're liking my comment, my pinned comment. I like to have a pinned comment in there, and you know, sharing my video to other islands. So that creates a lot of engagement. And as a result, your membership goes up. I mean, your follows go up. And so when that happens, every time you post a video, now your video is going out to all these followers. So the bigger your number, the more followers are receiving your challenge. But like I said, here on Waveful, you don't actually have to have a big following to make money. But it makes it easier when you have a big following, because as soon as you post your video, it goes out to everybody that's following you. So it makes you grow faster and makes you earn more. But even if you can't do that, if for some reason you don't have the time and like I do to do that, then you could just simply like and comment on other people's stuff. They're gonna like and comment on yours, and of course that's naturally gonna cause people to follow you, and you follow back. Because on this app, you don't have to worry about who you follow, because everybody's after the same thing. They want to they want to produce engagement on their content so that they can produce revenue in their back office. Okay, and so you don't have to worry. All engagement is good engagement. So I don't care if somebody says yes or no or whatever on my video 100 times. Come on, bring it, baby. All engagement's good engagement. Okay, so now here we are. I'm gonna go up here to this gear again. I'm gonna show you my island. Click on the little gear, then go down here where it says island, the second one from the top. And now these are my islands. Okay, 3 of them I created. The other 2, I'm just an admin in these 2 groups at the bottom. The top 3 are mine. Okay, so then I want to create a challenge, right? I can go right to my island, click on my island, and this is what my island is. Right now I'm holding a challenge. People are entering my challenge right now. But if I wanted to create another challenge, I go up here to the gear, and then I can start a challenge right here where it says start challenge. Okay, and then you hit that, and then you can put what your challenge is going to be about. If you want to have ideas, you want the system to give you ideas, you click right here where it says give me ideas. You click ideas, and it'll say share a photo of your daily growth, daily growth ritual, stuff like that. But what I do, I simply put in there, 10 super likes challenge, and then underneath it I say see my video for instructions. That way they know I'm giving away 10 super likes, and they gotta go check out my video to see instructions. And so my video is going to be right here on my profile. And so this is going to produce a bunch of engagement. What I like to also do on some of my challenges is ask people to tag 3 people. This creates even more engagement because there's more people that aren't following you and now are following you because they want to enter the challenge. And so it'll grow your account really fast. And it's something that all of us should be doing if we want to grow fast, if we want more engagement and more revenue. Anyways, there you have it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share this, because every week I'm going to have you a new idea, a new tip, a new trick, something that will help you grow fast and earn on the app that pays you to socialize, baby. That's right. See you next time. Peace. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. What you saw in that screen recording, the amount that I withdrew, that was a combination of the ad revenue I generated from engagement on my content, super likes that I received from other creators, and bonuses I received for inviting people to the app. And anybody can do it. Those who invite more people get more bonuses, but you can still get the ad revenue and you can still get the super likes without inviting anybody. So if you can't invite nobody, it's all right. You can still make money. That's right. Anyways, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you. Peace, love, and happiness, baby.